Evening wind down, standing. Find a comfortable position standing. You can also be seated if that is more supportive for you. And allow your knees to be a little bit soft. Maybe roll the shoulders a few times, wiggle your fingers, maybe bounce your knees a little bit. Begin to allow that to shake your body. I'm going to shake off the day, shake, shake, shake. Maybe shake your hands a little bit more vigorously. Maybe allow your head to nod, or you could even pick up one foot or the other foot and kind of shake the leg, shake the hips, allow your chest, your shoulders, allow your spine to move up and down, breathing, breathing. Let your arms go wherever they want. Just start to play, let go. You've had a long day. Maybe even let your voice vibrate, shake a little bit. And then find that place where you can start to settle in. Arms stretching up overhead. Exhaling, rolling the wrist and rolling down as far as it feels comfortable. Breathing in, stretching up. You can always slow this down or maybe go a little bit faster if that feels more comfortable. And every time that you roll up, take a deeper breath if you can do that, preferably through your nostrils. And then as you exhale, release the jaw and maybe let the breath sigh out of your mouth. Maybe you can drop in a little bit deeper. And then find a place where you can support your body and let one arm circle. Let gravity hold it. Circle the other arm, kind of like you're stirring a pot of soup with your arm and hand. And this video might be a little bit fast. You can always slow things down. You can stop the video or make it your own. And then walk your hands up your thighs. Place your hands on your lower back and stretch. A little back bend. Roll the shoulders back. Arms floating up. Breathe in. Exhale. Soft knees, chin to chest. Roll down one vertebrae at a time. Arms dangling, or you can even put the hands on the thighs, helping yourself roll up. Little back bend. Release the arms, shoulder rolling back, opening the chest. As you stretch up, really stretch the fingers, the palms. Exhaling out through the mouth, soft knees rolling back down. Let all those thoughts just drop out of your head. Use your hands maybe to walk up your legs again. Little back bend, hands on the lower back to support. Release the arms, shoulders rolling back a few times. And then let yourself shake again. Just shake, shake, shake. Take one arm and lift it up and let the palm rest somewhere behind you, either on the head or the back. And then take the other arm and find a place, either holding elbow or the tricep back of the arm. And let that whole side of the body, underneath the arm, the armpit, the rib cage, breathing in. And then when that feels comfortable, release. Roll the shoulders a few times, just rolling them back. And then take the other arm up and behind you. Allow the supporting arm to find a place just to hold and maybe give a little bit of pressure, just enough so that you can feel a nice stretch. This area doesn't usually get stretched very much, and yet because we hold a lot of tension in our upper body, this is a wonderful evening wind down stretch to do before you go to bed. And then both arms down. Take a nice deep breath, shoulders roll back. And then I always like to do a little bit of shaking in between, a little bit of just wiggling things out. And again, you can do this seated. And then if you'd like, place both feet maybe a little bit closer, or again, if you're sitting down, that's fine, whatever feels more stable. Float both arms up. Let the supportive hand extend the opposite side for a stretch. You can do that by holding the wrist, you can engage the core, or you can put the hand on the outside of the leg. You can look up, center, or look down, depending on what feels good for your neck. The intention is for you to elongate that side of the body. You can press in even on the outside of the foot. And then when you're ready to come up, engage the core. Bring both hands and arms up over your head and let them release down, rolling the shoulders. And then when you're ready, inhale both arms again. Now the other hand is going to hold either the wrist to elongate that side of the body, or you can place the hand down along the leg. Keep the abdomen engaged. Nice long stretching along the side of the body. You can even press into the foot, the side of the foot, and get a nice supportive stretch. Breathing, the head can look up, the head can look forward, the head can even look down. And then when that feels complete, slowly release both arms down. Take a breath. Maybe sigh out. Roll the shoulders a few more times. Breathing in and out. Nice, long, deep breaths. And when you exhale, release the chin to the chest. And let the head just roll from side to side, letting the chin float over the chest. Allow the head to float up to wherever it feels most comfortable, being very mindful of the neck. And if it feels good, you could even let the nose or the chin allow the whole head to roll in one direction, maybe a few times. And then when you're ready to reverse that direction, you can, or sometimes it feels good maybe just to release the chin to the chest. So let yourself move your head, your neck with nice deep breath in whatever way feels most comfortable for you and where you feel that you're getting some release, tension releasing, stress releasing, rolling the head and letting the stress roll down your arms and drip off your fingertips. And then let the head float to center when you feel that's complete. Now take the hands and just lace the fingers together in both hands. Rest the back of the head into the hands as you lean back and just imagine that maybe you're basking in some sun, and then bring the elbows together, bringing the chin to the chest and allowing the weight of the arms just to give a little bit more stretch in the back of the neck. Again, looking up, letting the head rest in the palms, and then bringing the elbows together and dropping the head, bringing the chin to the chest. You can do that a couple more times if that feels comfortable. Inhaling as you look up, arms and chest open. Exhaling, bringing the elbows, chest, chin together. And then release the hands, unlacing the fingers, and let the head float back to center. A little shake out again. Shake, shake, shake. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Now, I love this particular, it's called Goddess Pose. It's just a nice hip opener. So open the legs. Again, you can be doing this seated. And open the legs as wide as you can. If you can turn the toes out a little bit. And then as you place the hands above the knees on the inner thighs or on top of the thighs, You can use the leverage of the arms with straight elbows to give your upper body a little bit of a twist. And also the arms keeping nice and straight and giving a little bit of pressure opens up the hips as well. I love this one, and sometimes it just takes a little bit of adjusting for it to feel good to you as well. So inhaling as you come back to center and exhaling as you twist to the other side. Again, do as many as feels comfortable. And nice deep breaths. And when that feels complete, come to standing, walk the feet back together. Take a nice deep breath. Be grateful to yourself for your dedication to your health and your well-being, and allowing yourself to transition with this evening wind down, moving into a peaceful, deep sleep.